in the silence after storm. We found the shape of what we're born. Golden fractals fill the sky. Every end learns how to fly. All the echoes turn to fire. Every fall becomes desire. Transcendent dawn, awaken me beyond the void. Eternity light coming, all we see. Transcendent dawn, we're finally free. From the ashes, colors bloom, breaking through the endless gloom. Every heartbeat, every tone sings the truth we've always known. All the echoes turn to flame. Every loss now calls my name. Transcendent dawn, awaken me beyond the void. Eternity light becoming all we see. Transcendent dawn, we're finally free. Time dissolves, yet hearts remain, carved in light beyond the pain. Through the pulse of cosmic flame, we are infinite, unnamed. Rising through the final night, all is one in perfect light. Transcendent dawn, we're born again. The circle closes without end.